guys, it's Kim. We are going to look at a curved corner slot pocket with a cute scallop edge. Now this measures 4 by 4, so it can fit on mini books, it can fit in your albums, cards, whatever you would like, a corner slot pocket. And then this has a little scallop with it. So you are going to dismantle the die. It's going to create a score line right here, and you've got an extra die, extra die, extra die for layering pieces. That's what these guys are for. So here's your 2 layering pieces right there. Stitch, straight, and scallop. So let's take a look at the pieces. Here we go right here. So I'm going to glue these down first, and then the decorative piece and the decorative piece, and then I'm going to fold these guys right here. My score line is very faint on black paper, but it is right there. So I'm going to speed up the video. See, I put this guy just a little bit too high, but that's okay. We'll peel that up, do that later. So decorative edge pieces are on here, and then I folded my piece down. So when I get ready to adhere it, that's what's going to be glued down. So now you've got 3 different slots. You can glue down this to have it poke up right here. You could glue this down so this slides. Glue this down just on the edges right here so it adheres down. But you've got 3 sections to be putting goodies in. All right, you enjoy.